wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome to back my channel Sendi Nur Cahya. In this vlog, I will describe how to make iced tea and squeezedorange with my friends. Her name is Alia.
Hello.
Her name is Cecilia.
Hello.
Her name is Intan. Her name is Alfi.
Hello.
Her name is Zahran.
Hello.
And the name that the records is Billy. Okay, just go ahead. Material for make iced tea are hot water, tea, ice, spoon, glass, and sugar. Steps for make iced tea are: first, put the tea into the glass. Second, put the enough sugar into the glass. Third, put enough hot water into the glass. Fourth, put enough ice into the glass. Five, stir until evenly distributed. Sixth, finally, iced tea ready to drink.
3.
And next, how to make squeezed orange. Material for make squeezed orange are hot water, knife, one squeezed orange, spoon, glass, sugar, ice, and orange squeezer. Steps for make squeezed orange are: first, cut the squeezed orange into 2 parts. Second, then squeeze using an orange squeezer. Third, put the squeezed orange into the glass. Fourth, mix the hot water into the glass. Fifth, then add enough sugar into the glass. Sixth, add enough ice into the glass. Six. After that, stir until evenly distributed. Don't forget to
like, comment, share,
and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.